Alright, looks like we're recording. Low battery. Alright, well, we'll get what we can. Get what we can. Little Ranger ride. Nighttime Ranger ride. Steve's here. Just getting his stuff. Oh, hard to see the key. Go for it. Once I get the key on, though, then I can fire up the lights. It'll be good. Oh, I don't know if this is it or not. There it goes. Okay. Let's get her going. Interior lights on. Okay. That. My seatbelt on. Steve's coming. I'm gonna blind him. Alright, it said low battery, it's on, but who knows for how long.
What's up with that?
What?
What's up with that?
I don't know. I probably need to take it apart and put an actual battery in it, or get my other GoPro.
Alright.
Got real sweet interior lights so you can see what you're doing.
I am locked.
Remember how dumb it was with no interior lights?
Yeah.
You couldn't see anything?
I'm locked and loaded, Andrew. And here's my handle.
Perfect. You know what? Let's just get out of one-wheel drive now.
Yeah.
Right into four-wheel drive, Steve.
Take me to the garage door the long way, Andrew.
Think we're gonna see any critters?
Sure.
Sure? Like a guarantee?
I don't guarantee. They get pretty scared of this thing coming.
They do.
The LED bar, they can see it coming from a mile away.
I'll go this way. Not a big fan of that bridge.
Yeah. I think we're putting too much weight on it.
Yeah.
I challenge you to take the middle drain.
There's a critter. Look out, critter! Oh, that was a close one. What did you challenge me to?
Take the middle bridge, the diagonal one.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Crystal and I did it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were fine.
Okay, well then let's do it.
This thing's got more grip than you think, Andrew.
Where is it? Over here somewhere?
There.
I'll pop her in the low though, at least. Did you do it this direction or the other direction?
This direction.
Oh, really?
Yep.
All right.
Wasn't at all.
Well, if we get stuck, we got a winch,
Yeah.
Steve. Oh, it's pretty dry.
Yeah. So it's real steep.
It's steep though. Here we go.
Yes. Yes. Yep. Yes.
It was wet. I hit my GoPro with my hand. Hopefully I didn't mess up the view too much. But we made it, Steve.
There it is. Things yet to get stuck.
Yet to get stuck, yeah. It was close there though. I think, because it's really wet. It was really slick getting up that thing. But like I said, we've got a winch. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Last minute decision. Another critter.
Birds. They're not really night birds. They're birds that get
just
startled at night.
Right.
And they're like, ah. Put it in a really sweet mode.
Real sweet mode.
Yeah, we can clear stuff out.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
if I do one wheel. I bet I can. Go. Do this wide cut.
A little tight.
Yeah, a little tight, but I think we're right. All right, back in the 4. Close to being broken in. We're at 5.6 hours left. Yeah. Light bar, yeah. The neighbors are like, what is going on?
Sure. You're shot in the face, Andrew.
I'll try not to, Steve. Lost a little traction there.
A little bit of drafting. The sports side-by-sides have harness seatbelts?
Yes.
Like roller coaster ones?
Yes.
That's intense. That's pretty intense, Andrew.
I'm gonna put a big like stop sign right here or something. I'm so nervous somebody's gonna go flying off that edge. Somebody that doesn't know the property real well.
That's true.
You know, there's a 20-foot cliff right there. We know it, but if my buddies are flying around, they might not. Spot's a little tight. Yep.
Could have been the same one.
Could have been, yeah. How do I get away from this thing?
Could have been the dumbest rabbit ever.
Alright, so we're thinking you might delete this tree?
I think to make this easier.
Yeah, I mean I always kiss it there, like I just did.
Technically Todd's sweet trail too.
Yeah.
He took the leads and he was zigging and zagging.
Yeah. Yeah, he made a good trail. Prepare to get wet, Steve.
Yep.
Oh, that wasn't bad. Hope there's no deer, Steve.
Here we come, rabbit.
Cleaning the tires off, Steve. Alright, putting her back into low. Low speeds, low gear, Steve.
The tree that looks cool.
Yeah.
Very Halloween-y.
underneath there's a pile of stuff right there. It sure is bright with this this light. Woo! 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 That's so stupid.
Take me to the camping area.
You got it, Steve. One of the dumbest. Real bright reflection.
Are you still recording?
I don't know. We'll check once we get to the garage.
Alright, show them this.
Oh yeah.
See what it looks like on video.
There it is.
Nice.
All cleared out.
Sweet.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
In fact, that could be a jump.
straight up to the roof. Oh, can't see behind me, Steve. Now I can.